Hello and welcome to the news on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. First, a quick look at the headlines. Senate passes 2 tax reform bills. Egyptian side Zamalek sack Peseiro. VDM regains freedom from EFCC custody. And now full details of the news. The Senate has passed 2 out of 4 major tax reform bills, marking a significant milestone in the ongoing overhaul of the nation's tax administration framework. The 2 bills, one seeking to repeal the Federal Inland Revenue Service Act and another to establish the Joint Revenue Board Bill 2025, along with the Nigerian Revenue Service Bill 2025, were passed following a clause-by-clause consideration during the Committee of the Whole and their subsequent third reading on the Senate floor. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu had in October 2024 transmitted the 4 tax reform bills to the National Assembly for consideration and passage. However, the Senate President, Godswill Akpabio, commended the progress, expressing optimism that the reform bills would not only enhance governance, but also revolutionize tax collection and distribution across the country. The House of Representatives is to investigate the disbursement and utilization of 200 billion naira Central Bank of Nigeria loan for the National Mass Metering Program to the electricity distribution companies. The chairman of the committee, Rep. Uchenna Okonkwo, made this known in a statement issued on Wednesday in Abuja, adding that a 19-member committee had been inaugurated for the purpose. He said that the main objective of the committee was to carry out an investigation on the program earmarked for 2020 to enable the licensed electricity distribution companies provide electricity meters free for Nigerian electricity consumers. The United States of America National Transportation Safety Board has linked the unfortunate helicopter crash that killed the former Group Chief Executive Officer of the Access Holdings plc, Albert Wigwe, alongside his family to pilot fatal disorientation. The NTSB report further indicted the helicopter company, accusing it of inadequate oversight of its safety management processes. This was contained in the NTSB final report unraveling the reasons for the helicopter crash in February 2024. The preliminary report earlier showed that the helicopter registered as N130CZ crashed while operating under visual flight rules in what ultimately became instrument meteorological conditions, requiring different flight protocols and instrumentation. The U.S. accident investigators further revealed that the helicopter company failed to ensure pilots properly completed flight risk analysis, recorded maintenance issues, and followed required regulations before departure. And on the international scene, Sudan has cut diplomatic ties with the United Arab Emirates after repeatedly accusing the Gulf nation of backing the rival Rapid Support Forces in the country's civil war. The announcement came as the RSF were blamed for attacks on the usually safe city of Port Sudan, which started on Sunday and has continued until Wednesday. On Tuesday, Sudan's defense minister, Hussein Ibrahim, accused the UAE of violating his country's sovereignty through its proxy, the RSF. The UAE has repeatedly denied allegations that it is giving financial, military, and political support to the paramilitary force. And now we dive into the world of sports. Egyptian giants Zamalek have parted ways with head coach Jose Peseiro following a dismal run of results which culminated in 2-2 draw against National Bank. A statement on the club's official website read, Zamalek and Jose Peseiro agrees to end the relationship by mutual consent. Peseiro had put pen to paper on a 2-year contract with Zamalek in February following his stint with the Nigerian national team, whom he led to a second-place finish at the CAF African Cup of Nations tournament in Côte d'Ivoire last year. The 65-year-old Portuguese tactician had been under intense pressure in recent weeks as they failed to defend their CAF Confederation Cup title after losing 1-0 on aggregate to South African Premier Soccer League side Stellenbosch. During his 82 days in charge of Zamalek, Peseiro oversaw 17 matches in total, securing 7 wins, 8 draws, and 2 defeats. Up next is the entertainment news. Popular rights activist and social media influencer Martins Vincent Ose, also known as Very Dark Man, has been released from the custody of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. His lawyer, Deji Adeyanju, confirmed it in a phone conversation. Operatives of the anti-graft agency apprehended him in Abuja on Friday. The arrest and subsequent detention of the activist sparked widespread controversy on social media, with several celebrities, including the 2023 People's Democratic Party presidential candidate Atiku Abubakar, its Labour Party counterpart Peter Obi, and popular singer Davido calling for his immediate release. And with that, we end the news today on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Bio. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Procyon RTV. You can also follow us on all social media platforms on our unified handle at Procyon RTV. Visit our website at www.procyonnews.com to get the latest news updates. On behalf of the production crew, thank you for staying with us, and don't forget to keep shining like the star you are.